that Xu Qiu didn't kidnap him, but rather a gang feud.
Stop! You idiot! I went to so much trouble to bring him here. Do you think I did it just for that small head fee? Sorry, boss. Keep a close eye on him. Yes, boss!
What on earth is this place?
If it were a simple kidnapping, they would contact us soon for ransom. But if they are coming for you, they won't let you go back with a living person. Go find this person. My father has a tracker on him. He can help you locate him in the shortest time. If you still can't find him, I will let you know what to do next. Are you sure you want to save him? You only slept with him for one night, taking such a big risk.
Why?
Why ask for a reason for everything? Lin Mo has been mischievous since childhood.
With Xu Qiu's personality, he won't listen to anyone's arrangements. He will definitely go make a big scene at their place. That is fine too. The more chaos the gangs make, the less time the police will have to deal with it. As long as he doesn't know where the priest is hidden, they can't do anything. But he cares so much about saving him, which makes it suspicious instead. Could he have another motive? Qinghe, make me a cup of coffee. I might have to stay up late studying tonight.
Okay.
Assaulting a police officer is a serious crime. You wouldn't want no one to pay for your daughter's medical bills.
It is a scam!
Tell me who sent you. I'll share a secret with you too.
There was never any deal! It was Lin Mo's scam! From the very beginning!
These three are the officers investigating Huey's case.
What a coincidence. Again, Lin Mo. He is actually inside the police force. What? He actually imprisoned the priest! If I send the priest back, no matter what, the councilmen will definitely find a way to protect me. What are they here for?
Hey, forget it.
Let's go!
Brother Chang! Xu Qiu brought people to trash the place!
How dare he dare to mess with me? Grab the weapons!
If he hadn't come to report such a big place, I was worried I wouldn't find it.
Xu Qiu! Stop hitting me! I really don't know where the person is hidden.
Are you brainless? Who asked you where he is? I asked you where your boss's home is.
Oh.
He kidnapped my person. So I kidnapped his family. That is fair, right?
You...
You've gone too far. The Qinghe Gang won't let you off.
What? Qinghe Gang?
Now all of your questions are gone.
What? We've been tricked. You used us as an excuse to destroy the Qinghe Gang.
One Wulian Association is enough in each city.
I promise to let you see. Release my family.
Hey, call home and you'll see. Hey, I came here to spend time with my family. Outside matters are handled by outside people.
You've got guts.
Hey, what did you come here for? With my leg like this, I can't run away.
I have something hidden in my hair. Help me take it out.
I? How do I take it?
With your mouth, my dear.
What are you doing?
You leaned in on your own.
Hi. Did you come here just to humiliate me?
How could I? Uncle-in-law, of course I am here to rescue the beauty.
You also know I am your uncle.
I'll go deal with the people outside. You smash open the vent and get out. Don't wait for me, and don't look back.
You are crazy. They have guns.
And my legs.
If you want to see your son again, then let go of those past memories that hold you back.
Dad, there seems to be something in the basement. I am very scared.
Momo, aren't you usually not afraid?
Can you go take a look?
Maybe a stray cat from outside got in. Don't be afraid. I'll go take a look. I knew clearly in my heart that everything started to change from that day. Starting from the moment I stepped into the basement. That box belonged to Sister Hui. It was like Pandora's box. Knowing that I shouldn't touch it, but always wanting to know what truth was hidden inside it. I am sorry. I can't face these things. We get a divorce. I could have chosen to call the police. Or help Sister Hui cover up this matter, pretending nothing had ever happened. But I was so cowardly. I just chose to abandon my wife and flee alone.
Dad, what on earth was the thing in the basement?
It was a stray cat. Thinking of that man who was abused and had his legs cut off, I would fall into fear. That was the guilt of my law, coming from the despicable and the cowardly, howling of my inner heart.
Madam's car stopped near the tracks. Mr. Lang, do we really not need to call the police?
Is Momo still at school?
Yes.
I'll sleep for a bit. Gunshots! Xu Qiu, don't wait for him, and don't look back. Clearly having learned a lesson, it would have been fine to escape this time too without looking back. But since when did that person give me a different expectation? His crazy look was clearly exactly the same as Sister Hui's, but I had no way to choose to escape. Xu Qiu.
Yeah. What a troublemaker.
I told you not to come back.
What is there in this world worth chasing? As long as it makes me happy, I am willing to do it at all costs. Ignoring rules, fearless. Even enjoying playing with those cowardly guys. Watching them show their humble side in front of me. Too many women are crazy for me.
I could die for you.
To do it, or to die. Yet in the end, it still feels hard to satisfy me. Is what I chase a fatal pleasure, or something else? They will soon bring people to search the mountain. You and I are their only bargaining chips. If Lin Mo can't beat them before dawn, the two of us are dead. Are you scared? Why did you come back?
What about you? Why did you come to save me?
Lin Mo also asked me this question. Why do you think that is?
Xu Qiu. No. They will catch up.
Don't make a sound. We'll be discovered by others. Do you want to be watched by them? I don't mind, though.
Xu Qiu.
Did you say my brother was in Xu Qiu's hands? Now, there is a gang war. Even the president called to question me. How are you going to wrap this up? If this affects my political performance, I will kill you first.
I am sorry. It is my fault. I didn't expect it to be Lin Mo's problem. After all, he is still a student.
Don't just be mage arrogantly judge a psychopath? Don't forget, he is the only one who escaped from the IS project.
Yes, no matter what, I will definitely find a way to rescue your brother. At least we still have Lin Mo's father in our heads.
What is the IS project, anyway? I've never heard of it.
Team leader, the food is here.
We are here to work, not on vacation. Why buy ice cream?
It melted.
So cold.
Lin Mo has completely declared war on them. I am afraid Tai Yingzheng still knows nothing.
We have to find a way to warn him.
I buried the person as you requested. What should I do next?
You can go home. One last question. You were involved in the IS project, right?
If I tell the truth,
Lin Mo will definitely kill me.
what should I do? I need help.
Mr. Song.
I know where your brother is. Please, protect me.
At the cemetery in Xu Qiu district. Quickly take men to rescue my brother.
The priest is not here. We were fooled by that guy. Hello, Assemblyman Song. You must be very angry that you didn't find anyone in the coffin. The people you can use. I can use them just the same.
Lin Mo, where on earth is my brother?
I can't say for sure. I can have one person bury him, and then have 10 people dig him up. Who knows where he will appear next?
Bastard! Don't be too arrogant. Your father is still in my hands.
It doesn't matter at all. Thanks to you all. Now, even if anyone dies in front of me, I won't feel a thing.
What on earth do you want?
I want all the data on the IS project.
Are you kidding me? Not to mention my brother's wife. Even my own life isn't worth what you are asking for.
Negotiation failed. 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Priest Song will bring your secret and appear downstairs at the news mansion on time.
Wait for me!
Mr. Li, I have found your father's location, but there are too many of them. What should we do?
The two of them are on the mountain. They can't run far.
Search!
It is time to let the beast eat meat.
Page, I understand, Mr. Li. I will do it clean. Happy reincarnation, babies.
It seems forcing our way in was the right call. This phone contains the evidence of you manipulating others. Let's see how you argue your way out of this.